Ningbo is a major port city in southeast China, and the second biggest city in Zhejiang. It's just an hour from Hangzhou by high-speed train, and 2 hours from Shanghai. Super convenient. I actually came here 2 years ago for a short trip. I ate so much good food, saw some amazing sights, but still couldn't get enough. So this time, I did a quick 2-day, 1-night getaway just before the National Day holiday to avoid the crowds. The weather was great. We went straight to eat at a popular local spot. The place was packed with locals, so we waited a bit. We got a set meal for two, 5 dishes for 178. Totally worth it. After lunch, we checked into a Tour S hotel on Heyi Adventure, opened in 2024. Everything's fresh and modern. Our room was bright, clean, and had a nice city view. Locations perfect too, close to downtown and major sites. After a short rest, we walked to Moon Lake Park, passing the Drum Tower along the way. Built in the Tang Dynasty over 1,100 years ago. 2 years ago, it was still under renovation. Moon Lake is named for its crescent shape and has been famous since the Tang and Song dynasties. Definitely one of Ningbo's oldest garden-style spots. Later, we hit Tianyi Square, grabbed some cute ice cream, and browsed a bookstore. Dinner was nearby, Korean-style tofu stew and kimchi pancake. So good. After that, we checked out Laowaitan, the old band. The streets full of bars, and once you walk through, the city night view is stunning. Laowaitan's one of China's earliest bonds, even before Shanghai's. It used to be home to foreign concessions, so there are tons of European-style buildings still standing today. The next morning, hotel breakfast was awesome. They even had freshly made local beef noodles. In the afternoon, we took the metro to Ningbo Museum. Super cool design and basically empty. Finally, we hit a nearby mall, grabbed some sweet little cakes, and that was the perfect way to wrap up the trip.